wish your subscribers were here to enjoy this with us.
Okay, you didn't tell me you're a professional swirler. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another episode of Surprising My Friends with Smoothie Bowls. I am headed to my friend Abbie's house right now. She doesn't know we're coming and I'm very excited to surprise her with a smoothie bowl. We got the car packed, we got the cooler packed, we got all of our fruit. If you don't know what the heck I'm doing, last week I thought it would be fun to start showing up at my friends' houses, surprising them with smoothie bowls because who doesn't love a smoothie? And so I'm literally going around to all of their houses to introduce them to you and bless them with a smoothie bowl. So if you're excited about this video, if you're loving this series, give this video a big thumbs up. And hey, you should hit that subscribe button to join the best family ever. That's right, do it. Okay, we've just arrived. I'm gonna call Abbie. Hello. Abbie, I am actually at your apartment right now. I am here to surprise you. I'm gonna make you a smoothie bowl.
How did you know I was starting? I am going down right now.
Oh my gosh, I'm so glad you're home. Oh my gosh, there she is, the queen. Look at how cute you are. We are going to, are those birds?
Oh my gosh.
And there's a lizard.
Wildlife is here. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
I didn't know our,
Yo, literally, on the last episode, Ben had his dogs. We just have lots of animals on this series, so if you like animals, comment down below what kind of animal you want to see on next week's episode, because apparently this is turning into National Geographic. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. Welcome to Nashville. Oh, and this is where we're making our smoothie bowl?
it's a little big for me, but
Let's check out the view. Oh my heavens.
isn't this amazing?
Wow. All right, Abbie. I've got my cooler. I even brought my Vitamix. I have all
I am so excited.
mystery ingredients
Is this
inside.
like the official Nomad?
You're about to have a Nomad
spread?
bowl. Comment down below if you want a Nomad bowl. Maybe I'll come to your city and make you a bowl. You too. Okay, wait. I'm getting ahead of myself. I haven't even introduced Abbie. We need to do a proper introduction. Abbie, come over here. Ladies and gentlemen, Abbie Pell. She's Texas born and raised with a California soul. She loves horseback riding, vanilla cupcakes, and hanging out with her friends. One thing you'd be excited to know about Abbie is that as a child, she used to eat onions like apples. Ladies and gentlemen, Abbie Pell. Let me show you what ingredients I have for you today. So you said you've never made a smoothie bowl like officially before?
Not professional.
I don't know that I've done it professionally either. Do I do it
You're
professionally?
professional.
I guess I'm professional.
Hey, you're professional.
An empowering friend. We love it. Okay, so my best tip when it comes to smoothie bowls, you always want to start with the liquid first because that's what hits the blades and gets it going and then it sucks everything else down. So if you want to just do like a little splash of that, a little splash. Maybe a little double splash.
I don't want to get aggressive.
Next is our frozen banana. This is what makes your smoothie bowl nice and creamy. We're gonna do one frozen banana. And then we've got strawberries, blueberries, and pineapple. This is just
a
a
magic mix or
a
what?
full sin. The pineapple's gonna make it nice and sweet.
Listen.
Send that in, get some strawberries.
I need to learn your cool lingo with this. I feel like I talk really boring.
She thinks I have cool lingo.
You do.
I don't think they would agree. What's your favorite food? I don't know that we've talked about that.
Honestly, potatoes. Is that bad?
No, I didn't expect that though.
No?
Should we add some
tell me what you
potatoes
expect.
into your smoothie bowl?
What do you expect, folks?
Like a spring roll. I don't know. You strike me as like the sushi kind of gal. Okay, we're ready to go. Sometimes I put protein powder in just to like boost it up, but the fruit's all you need, girl. There is a technique to this. If you got a Vitamix, pay attention. I also have other blender tutorials on this channel if you're curious about how to make a smoothie bowl using your particular blender. But this one specifically has a way to do it so that you don't burn your motor out. What it is when you turn it on, it's gonna be at low. That's just to get it going, and then you're gonna quickly go to high, and you're gonna smash it down as hard as you can. It's gonna sound like a semi-truck is exploding. That's great, that's good. Once you do that, you're gonna hear the motor change when it stops catching, turn it off. Then we start over. We start low, go straight to high, and you keep mashing it down until you hear it catch. You'll hear it in the blades. It's at 1. All you're gonna do is flip the switch on the left, and it's gonna start off at low. Yep, then you're gonna smash it down.
Smash.
Now quickly turn this up to high, I'll do it for you. Smash, really smash it. Smash it, Abbie. You really got it. There you go, yeah, keep smashing it down the sides, there you go. I wish your subscribers were here to enjoy this with us. You know what I think would be fun? We're gonna take a brief intermission because I have an idea. I think it would be so fun to travel to every single state in America and do smoothie bowl meetups. Because I want to meet you guys. Wouldn't it be fun? We like get our friends together and just start traveling in a van and like host events at like a park or something, somewhere public where we can make smoothie bowls and hang out, play spike ball.
We're gonna do this.
Play games.
I actually see this in my future.
Okay, so this is the fun part. We got a 3-step process. We have the dump, the swirl, and the spin. I'll start it for you, and then I'll let you do it. So I'm gonna get a big old blob of it going, and we're just gonna push it all down at once into the bowl.
Why did you decide coconut bowls?
I did the coconut shell because coconut shells actually keep your smoothie bowl frozen longer. Porcelain bowls can make them melt faster, and the shells, for some reason, don't do it. I don't know why.
That's amazing. Yeah, what the heck? That's such a weird quality about these
And
bowls.
it like makes me feel like I'm in Hawaii or California.
Definitely.
So
I mean, that's definitely
just
like the pool, but
it looks so good. This is a thick one.
it looks so good.
Money, money, money. Y'all should try this recipe. It's a good combo.
Oh my gosh.
Killing it.
This is, the texture is like nothing I've ever made. Truly.
You're gonna take your spoon and you're gonna give it a little swirly action. You can make whatever pattern you want, but you just go right on ahead. Okay, you didn't tell me you're a professional swirler. She's killing it.
Self-taught no lessons.
Give it a little swoop. Oh yeah. Yes, queen. Wait,
Take
that's
that
beautiful.
little
That's
crest.
beautiful. And then sometimes what's fun, you can stick your spoon right there in the side and let it sit on the side. There it is. Ladies and gentlemen. She's got the swirl. Today, we are working with maple almond butter, granola butter, it tastes like liquid 10 grams.
have not had that.
Honey, some granola, toasted coconut chips, cacao nibs, and chia seeds, and some blackberries and blueberries. So, this is a free-for-all. You can do them all, you can do one or two, you get to decide. This is my favorite part, truly. I believe, and I've said this before on this channel, that I think smoothie bowls are just a canvas for toppings, and so I love decorating them and making them look cute,
wanna do
but
that?
I give you full creative freedom.
You're gonna give me
This is all you, girl. This is all you.
Okay, we're gonna start with some berries.
Okay, that looks amazing.
And
Looks like a sunshine.
Kind of just a little layering
Just
action.
gonna put the whole thing on.
Just a little layer. No, you're right. Hold on, you gotta leave space. No, that's it. That's it.
Because we have
That's all
others.
got right
We
there.
have
That's-
other friends.
Yeah,
Okay.
other friends.
If you guys want to follow Abbie, I'm gonna link her Instagram down in the description box below. Just check her out. Be friends. Oh, she's going with the blob.
We're doing the blob, but this is just the glue. A little coconut. This is a little bad boy at the end, but we're just gonna do a little drizzle. It's gonna get a little bit messy.
Hey,
And
it's
the
not complete
drizzle-
unless it's
The
nutty.
drizzle was not truly successful.
Okay, let's clear our toppings out here now so we can get a beauty shot. Now we're on to the spin. So crank this buddy up and give her a whirl. Ready for the spin whenever you're ready. Woo! Amazing. Oh, she's drizzling.
Look at that little side detail.
Wow, I'm impressed for your first smoothie bowl. You nailed it. But now the real
I'm so
question is,
excited.
how does it taste? It is time for a taste test. All right, here she goes. And?
Oh my gosh, it's so good.
What do you like about it?
What did you do to this?
You did
I
it.
made this.
You made this.
The magic's in me.
She made this, everybody. Thank you so much. This was so fun. I'm so glad that we made these
You're the
together.
best.
I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching this week. If you liked this video and it made you smile, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join the best family ever. If you want to know more about Abbie, I linked her in the description box below. Go check her out. You are amazing. We'll see you next week. Bye.